So hello to each and everyone, my name is Charles Denverian Torres and I am going to present to you my code and the final output of this code for my website. So I started off with doc type to define or to know what kind of document I am creating. So it's HTML. So then the tag HTML for this whole content to be outputted later. Then I use CSS to design and lay out my contents. Then background in my body I put a background image. Then background repeat, so I don't want it to repeat, so I label this no repeat. Then background size, I want it to cover the whole page, so I put it in cover. Then the header, text align right, then I put a specific font size for it. Then I positioned it, label as absolute, so that I can position it onto where I want the header to be. So it's the same with the navigation, and I put word spacing for the each words in the navigation list to have space between each other. Then iframe, of course, position absolute. Then for the header one and paragraph, I also position them as absolute. So for the body, of course, the body here, this is the body and this is part of the body. This is the content of my page. So my header is welcome to San Carlos City. Then I put an image to it. So this image is above welcome to San Carlos City. So I just put the position onto it. Then the navigation. So these are the links for the other pages, which I will also discuss later. Then iframe, and for this video is about the San Carlos City also, so that I won't be putting more words in my main page. And I creating this, I just made it simple because I still lack knowledge on the tags that are used in HTML. Then my header one about San Carlos, so this is a little information about San Carlos. Then to end the this content or the page to where it will end, so just type slash, I think this is slash, then body. For without this also, this whole thing here won't show in the page. So the second is the health. So here is the second page, or depends, because the user will also pick onto what page he or she is going to. So again, it's doc type HTML to define what kind of document. Then HTML, it's the same for all the pages, for it's the basic syntax for HTML. Then I also put it a background image. Then I did not label it as I did not put background repeat.net because it's not it won't affect the page. Then header, so it's the same thing, just different font sizes and positions. Then for the navigation also, it's the same but different positions and word spacings. And yes, that is for my styles, CSS. Then the header will be San Carlos City Health section. Then of course I just copy paste the navigation from my main page so that user can go back or go to any pages they want to go. Then the header 2, San Carlos City Hospital. So I think we only have two hospitals here. So I put in images for this and onto where these hospitals can be found. Then after the hospitals, the San Carlos Vamos app. So I put also images for the what San Carlos Vamos app looks. Then inserted a link to know more about the Vamos app. Then additional contacts related to health, the contacts on like CDRRMO and others. So this is for my health section. Third is the education section. So again, the basic syntax or the needed tags for the page to work. So in the education, I made it put it in a table to simplify it all so that I won't have a hard time on positioning it. So here, education in San Carlos City. So I put it in a table, then table rows and table data, then school and details. So first school is Colegio de Santo Tomas Recoletas on CSTR. Then under this will be an image of CSTR. Then in the details, it will be about the CSTR. So same with CSR or Colegio de Santa Rita, then Tanyon College and Julio de Desma National High School. I only included the schools that is offering high schools and colleges here in San Carlos City, and I did not include the elementary schools and kindergartens. So after that, and after each of these, after each details, there will be another link that will redirect the user to to know more about these schools. Then to end the table here, so body and HTML. So next is the tourism, the fourth page. So same again. I think so. I titled it tourism. So here I put a background image and background size, cover of course. Then same with the other pages, positioned it absolute with different background colors and positions. Then I also here I have an iframe. So the header is San Carlos City tourism section. Then for the navigation, then the other one is San Carlos City places you should go to. So first is the Sipaway Island, then a little detail about this, then a picture. So then the People's Park, then detail, then picture. Center Mall, details about this, then a picture. Then the San Carlos City Plaza, the detail about this, then a picture. Then after these four places, there will be another video under the four places, and above the video will be the watch the video below to know more about tourism in San Carlos City. So the video is I get this from YouTube, and it's about the tourism or the places that tourists go to in San Carlos City. So that is for my tourism. Then the next is for the transportation. So again, my syntax and the styles for each pages is the same. So I have here a header, then I have here section. So header is San Carlos City transportation section. Then we have here the navigation, the links. Then my header one is land transportations in San Carlos City. Then we have here a paragraph or details about what kind of land transportation we have here in San Carlos City. Then images here. Then the second header one is sea transportation in San Carlos City, and another details on what we have here in San Carlos City. Then images of it. Then that is basically all my pages for my website, and I just made it simple. Again, for I still lack knowledge of every tags that can be used in HTML. So for the next one, I will present to you the output of this 5 pages in the go to each of this navigation link. So this is the main page of my website. So this is the image that was in the code. Then welcome to San Carlos City, then the navigation links, health, education, tourism, and transportation. Then I frame the YouTube video here. So and then the little information about San Carlos. So the second page is the health, for the health. So here, San Carlos City Health section. Then of course the navigation links or the links. So then the San Carlos City hospitals. Then the two hospitals that are in San Carlos City. Then their address and of course their contact numbers. Then second is the San Carlos Vamos app. Then the what the San Carlos Vamos app looks like. And what's this meaning? So viral assessment and monitoring system. So to know more about the Vamos app, we just need to click this link here. Click to know more about the Vamos app. So if you click that, you will go to Vamos mobile app. So it will give out more information here. Then if you are here in San Carlos, we need this Vamos app to enter public places like the market and the malls. So we go back, then additional contacts related to health. So here for the PNP, BFP, ART or AMS, then the traveler's desk hotline in the city hall. So third is the education. So San Carlos City education section, then the links for the other pages, then education in San Carlos City, school and details. So first is STR, here is the picture, then detail about this. So if I click this link here, click for more information, we'll go to the page on to where we can or the user may know more about the school. So we go back. So CSR it's the same details, then a link to go to its to know more about the school, Tanyon College, then Julio Ledesma National High School. So next is the tourism, San Carlos City tourism section, the links, then San Carlos City places you should go to. Then first is Sipawi Island, then a little about Sipawi, then a picture of this. Then People's Park, a detail, then a picture. Center Mall, a detail, then a picture. Then San Carlos City Plaza, a little detail and a picture. Then watch the video below to know more about tourism in San Carlos City. So this is the video for a short video for the tourism in San Carlos City. Then lastly is the transportation, San Carlos City transportation section. So of course the links, then land transportation in San Carlos City. So a little detail of what are available, so pedicabs and motorized tricycles, then buses and jeeps. Then sea transportation in San Carlos City. Then the pump boat and the ferry services. So we go back. So I think that is all for my codes and for the output of my codes. So again, this is Charles Denbrian Torres. Thank you for listening, and I hope I explained it very clearly for you to understand. Thank you.